With the increasing demands for meteorological monitoring, the technical shortcomings of traditional weather stations are becoming increasingly apparent. For example, problems such as insufficient data accuracy and low measurement efficiency. In response to these limitations, our company has developed and manufactured a high-precision ultrasonic weather station. It adopts the principle of ultrasonic measurement. It completely eliminates the wear and tear of mechanical parts and the interference of environmental factors. This ensures the accuracy of the data from the source. This device detects wind speed and direction by emitting continuously variable frequency ultrasonic signals and measuring their relative phase. Compared to traditional weather stations, the data accuracy is significantly improved. In terms of measurement efficiency, it can achieve multiple data acquisitions and processing per second. In the face of sudden weather changes, it can capture data and output it immediately. Provide real-time data for meteorological decision-making. In addition to being precise and efficient, this weather station is also highly integrated. It integrates monitoring functions for core meteorological elements such as wind speed, wind direction, temperature, humidity, air pressure, noise, PM 2.5, carbon dioxide, light intensity, and rainfall. Installation and deployment are quick and easy. The equipment has an IP65 protection rating and can adapt to various harsh environments. The device uses RS485 signal output. Ensure data is transmitted back in a timely manner, whether for refined urban meteorological monitoring or to provide data support for agricultural production and ecological research in remote areas. This ultrasonic weather station is an ideal choice for you. For more information, please contact Shandong Renke.